did the ball joint video on this truck. I went through and checked front wheel bearings and everything, and everything was pretty good. I know it's a common failure, so I checked them, but they were good. So you can imagine how surprised I was when the alignment shop called me and said, hey, you need to get a right front wheel bearing put in this. Of course, they offered to do it. I opted to do it myself. They said, this thing's getting ready to fall out of here. I'm like, huh. Wasn't bad a week ago. Only driven it 40, 50, 60 miles. That's weird. So I brought it home and checked it myself. And I didn't have the camera rolling then. Let's see if it'll do it now, what it did before. Because, yeah, they weren't exaggerating. It's bad. Do you think that's bad? Woo! I don't know. It might have a few more miles in it. Did you see that? Did you see that? Not good. Not good at all. I can't get over how bad that is, and I'm pretty sure I've got video of me checking it and it being okay. That's definitely not okay. The next question is, how did they align it? I guess we'll see. Oh, that's cracked. That's wonderful. Or did I just crack it? These people knew what a torque spec was.
These people?
That's why you're not supposed to use an impact on chrome sockets. About time for a new set of metric deep sockets. Probably should jack this up and get it on deck. Take the brake stuff off, take the center cap off, 36 off. It's not a 36, it's smaller than that, but that's what I have that kind of fits it. This is going to be the same as the first part of the ball joint teardown video, so I'm not going to beat it up too bad as far as detailed instructions right now. The difference is I've had all this stuff out recently, so it shouldn't be overly tough. Oh, we didn't get a bucket for the brakes though, did we, buddy? We need a bucket. No. Where'd the breaker bar go, buddy? There it is. we're going to need a little wiggle in our jiggle there, Hound. You're definitely not supposed to use chrome wobblies on an impact. This axle's just hanging on a little bit. Feels like something else is caught up on it. I think that bearing is what the kids call hammered. No bueno for caca. Okay. So yeah, now that we know, we just take the brake stuff off like we did last time. There's 4 bolts that went in from the back side. Let's look at our pretty new move one. Thankfully all the studs are already in it. It's got the plug and everything on it. It's tied down. There we go. I mean, fancy. Kind of want to do a dry fit here and see. Yeah, everything looks like it should go together. Look at our plugs. They look the same. I think we're good. It's good, it's good, it's good. Alright, now we just got to hold 3 different loose parts and get the bolts started. No problem. If they didn't want me to do that, they wouldn't have made it so easy to bend. And the ABS, joke's on you, it hasn't worked since I bought the truck. We will come to a skidding stop when we need to, like men. I ran those in as far as I could by hand because they're such a pain to get to with a socket. No more wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Kitty! Big kitty coming to see us, huh? So I always thought that saving one of these hubs would be a good thing to do so that you could use it for a spare tire carrier on my trailer or in the bed of the truck. So Got a 4-bolt flange. Be easy enough to do. We're going to hang on to it for a little bit and see if I actually do that. Let's see how long it took us. I want to say I come out here about 4 o'clock. And it's about 5 o'clock. So, the original quote to do it was about $350, which really isn't bad when you consider that $250 of that was for the part. However, by ordering from Rock Auto, I got a Moog part, which is, as far as I know, pretty good brand. And it was delivered to my house, and with shipping, I want to say it was $157. Basic set of 1/2-inch ratchet and sockets would have got the job done. The impact is awesome to have, but you could do it with a 4-way tire iron. And yeah, so in about an hour, me and the handsome hound dog, we got it done. So saved ourselves $200. Hound, are you excited? We saved $200. Hound. That's excited for him. All right, well, one more problem fixed. We're going to go back and ask him about the alignment, though, because back in the dark ages when I was selling alignments on covered wagons, we attached the alignment heads to the wheels. So having that much movement would cause a problem and make it so it wouldn't be aligned. So I'm at least going to ask some questions. Maybe there's a different way of doing it that I don't know about and that didn't mess with their settings. And then I'll know. I'll have learned something. So until next time, check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it. See you next time.